Adjusting your top-end pro basketball chair to fit your needs is something that's important to help you get the best out of your game. One of those measurements that you can make is center of gravity. Center of gravity, when we discuss that, if you think about this axle and we draw a straight line up, the more weight you have behind that axle, the faster your chair is going to turn. The further we bring your weight align with this axle or in front of that axle is going to slow down your turning. Again, this is individualized based on athletes, and you're going to want to experiment with what works best for you. To change the center of gravity on this pro basketball chair, you're going to notice that there are two holes located underneath the seat bracket. You're going to loosen up the bolt. Refer to your owner's manual. This is a 10mm size bolt. I'm going to remove this bolt on the left side and the right side, and if I relocate it right here, that would slide the seat backwards, which brings more weight behind the seat, and ultimately this chair would turn quicker if we have it set up in this hole. Likewise, we have some smaller adjustments that we can make up front with this bracket, and you'll notice there are some more holes, and there's two bolts for the front seat height or the front center of gravity. And what you're gonna do is remove these bolts on both the left and right hand side. And again, if we move that seat further backwards, the chair is going to turn quicker. If we move that seat further forwards, it's going to slow down how quickly that chair turns. So a great opportunity for you to dial in the seating position and the turning that's going to work best for your game. So here's a close-up of adjusting our center of gravity. This is the bracket located beneath the seat. Again, you're going to have two options for that bracket for changing the center of gravity. The further we move this seat backwards, the quicker the chair is going to turn. So if we mount in this hole, you can imagine this seat going further back, which is increasing the center of gravity and ultimately going to make this chair turn a little bit quicker. We have finer measurements or finer adjustments for the center of gravity up front. There are multiple holes to choose from and two bolts that you're going to have to remove up front on both the right hand and left hand side to be able to adjust your center of gravity.